Welcome back to the second half of today's quiz show. On my left has scored the highest number of points in the first half, Monster Dubop.
Yeah, thank you.
And on my right, also a very, very smart monster. Not so much fun in the first half, but maybe in the second half. Our monster, Doobie.
Let's go now and... huh? Oh, hello. This time, Doobie will be the winner. You dream, Doobie. Just wait and see, Doobop.
Calm down. Are you guys ready to begin the quiz?
Okay.
Good. Now, listen carefully. I have wings.
Doobop! The answer is a chicken.
Sorry, Doobop. Please listen more carefully. I have wings and I swim well and I say...
Doobie! The answer is a duck.
Oh! Wow! Congratulations, Doobie! Congratulations! Doobie is on the board. Good. Are you ready for the next question? All right. I have 4 legs.
Doobop! So easy. A wolf.
Oh, Doobop. Listen carefully. I have 4 legs and I like bones. And I say...
Doobie! The answer is a dog.
Wow! Doobie is back. That is correct. The answer is a dog.
Oh, so close. I almost won.
You are so smart now, Doobie. What happened? Did you maybe study during the break?
Yes, I really wanted to get the right answers. You just wanted to beat me. That's not true. You said you wanted to have your own animal farm. So what? Well, I wanted to learn about what you are interested in. Really? Yes, you are my BF, best friend. Yes, you are my BF too. Doobie, Doobop, yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow, this is so beautiful. Friend, they're best friends. Oh, this is just wonderful. But speaking of friends, I almost forgot. It's time to go. I have to meet my friends. Bye-bye.
Bob, what about the keyword? He's gone, Doobie. Okay. Then let's run the factory and send a keyword to him. Oh, okay. Doobie, Doobop, Music Factory!
Kids English School.
키즈톡톡